Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to view unread notifications in Facebook on your PC. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to ensure you never miss an unread notification again. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Click on the notifications button located at the top right corner of the screen. It looks like a bell icon. Step 3. Next, click on See All. This will open the notifications panel where you can see all your notifications. Step 4. Finally, click on the Unread tab. This will filter the notifications and display only the unread ones. And there you have it. You now know how to easily view unread notifications in Facebook on your PC. Stay updated with the latest activities and never miss an important notification again. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Until next time.